And then the one in the orange looked like a kid.
Because if they were a little more psycho,
Yeah.
they would have sprayed.
They all bust up on him.
See, Roslyn too. See over there?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, he definitely Roslyn. Yeah, if you listen to the audio, he said, "Where you going?" And then the guy looked, and the guy in the Camaro just kept going down. He was like, "I'm not."
Little piss ass.
Then my partner that responded earlier this morning, was she able to get video footage? Did she look at it?
No, she was here at 2 in the morning, so she wasn't able to. She got like this safety. So, you know, like my supervisor, he really doesn't have access to the office and camera system and stuff like that. He just has to notify me. And then, depending on the severity, I would have to get up.
But was she notified that there is video footage available?
I don't think so. I believe she talked to them